Hello guys, who is ready to make some money? Today we are going to talk about two stocks that I'm looking in particularly because they're showing great potential for reversal plays, meaning they are beaten down or being held down or trading sideways and not doing anything much. But due to some events, that could change really quickly and they could start making serious gains. So before we dive in, if you enjoy watching my videos, show me some love down below, subscribe to my channel, comment the video, like it, and here we go. So the first stock that we are going to talk about is Hylion. Now, if we look on the daily chart, we see that it's just been battered into pieces in the last few months. It's gone from the high of 58 just before merger to the lows of $15. And it has been trading between $15 and $18 for, let's say, the last 2-3 months. But last week something happened. They announced that they have completed their next battery module, next generation, that is supposedly to help them charge their vehicles in just around 8 minutes. Now that's very fast considering how long it takes to charge regular cars with electricity right now. But this, we are talking about trucks, heavy duty trucks, and those type of vehicles require much more electricity to charge them and to power them so they can carry all the payload. Now also the market reacted very positively. The stock jumped more than 30% in one day. It broke out of that sideways trend that we are talking about, and it started to push higher, meaning this could be the signal of the next bull trend in this stock. So on Friday it dipped a little bit. It went down about 10%, but if we look at the daily chart, we can see that it was a very narrow red candle bar, meaning that there was strong support below it, meaning that new buyers were coming in and buying the dip. This could signal that in the coming weeks we could see more of an upward push. I'm looking for this stock to go to 30 in the short term, so in the next 3 to 6 months, and in the next year it could go to 40 or 50, because this was a former runner, meaning that it had a lot of eyes on it, and those eyes are still watching it. They are watching it to see when will the next moves begin, and those buyers will come back in and support the stock price. So one little catalyst can move a stock out of slumber and put it into motion again. Now the next stock is Golden Nugget Gambling, GNOG symbol ticker. Just like we were talking about in the few of our last videos about marijuana stocks that are going to be hot in this year because the states are battered and they need green stuff, the same is with gambling. A lot of states are considering legalizing gambling because gambling is not legal in all of US states. and it is still one untapped resource that could potentially bring a lot of money into state budgets. Now, GNOG in particular was being held down. If we can see on the daily chart, it went all the way from $25, $26, $27 down to $18. It is being held down. DraftKings and other betting sites are flying high, but Golden Nugget is being held down. This provides excellent opportunity for us small investors. Why? Because only one event can push this stock higher. It can start moving again very, very quickly. But another thing that we see on the daily chart is that between $17 and $18 there is very strong support for this stock. We can see that on previous occasions it touched this level 4 times, and every time buyers came in and pushed the stock higher. So we are just waiting for a catalyst to start moving this stock out of this downward trend and into a bull upward trend. What are the upcoming catalysts for this stock? Betting season is knocking on the door. All of the major summer sports are going to be starting their leagues right now, and meaning that a lot of people will be betting. Just last week on the Super Bowl, so many gamblers came in that all the major sites went down. They couldn't support the volume, meaning at the moment there is a lot of interest in this industry, and this stock is being held down, meaning that either when earnings come in or when the betting season starts, we could see major moves here. I'm looking for it to retest all-time highs of $27. When that happens, it can go then to $30, and $30 is another psychological resistance, which I will be looking for it to either break or to reverse. If it cannot break the $30 mark, I will be selling off my position and looking to re-enter when the reversal is done. That can be around $25 or $24, depending on the trend and on the strength of the pullback. But if it breaks $30, it can go all the way up to $40 without a problem, especially if we see some sort of passing legislation in those states that still don't allow gambling. That could be a huge catalyst, and it could even push it to double or triple. So put these two stocks on your watch list and watch them either for confirmation, or you can start a small position right now and watch how it does, but leave some money in the pocket to either allow you to average down or to buy with position once you get the confirmation that the bull market for these two stocks has started, and you are much more easier to invest with bigger size. Now, these are more of long-term plays, up to 1 year for me, but it is nice to have also those types of plays in your portfolio, so that you do not see so much volatility. So thank you for watching. Let me know down in the comments, what do you think about these two stocks? Do you have them on your watch list? Are you already invested? And what kind of prices are you looking at? Bye.